I'm green and leafy, often used as a base for salads. What am I? Lettuce. I'm small and green, often served in salads or stir-fries. What am I? Peas. I'm purple and round, often used to make a popular condiment. What am I? Eggplant. I'm a bulb that's white, with layers to peel. When chopped in salads, I have great appeal. What am I? Onion. I'm a long, thick and green vegetable. You use me in a salad and I have lots of water in me. What am I? Cucumber. I'm green and often stuffed, with a mild flavor. What am I? Bell pepper. I'm orange and have a tough skin, but my insides are soft and sweet. What am I? Sweet potato. I'm small, round, and red, often used in salads or cooked dishes. What am I? Tomato. I'm green and resemble a tree, but I'm actually a vegetable. What am I? Broccoli. I'm small and round, often found in salads or cooked dishes. What am I? Radish. I'm green and leafy, often used in salads or sandwiches. What am I? Spinach. I'm orange and have a long, skinny shape, often used in stir-fries or salads. What am I? Carrot. I'm green and slimy when cooked, often used in soups and stews. What am I? Okra. I grow on the top of the ground, I am almost round in shape, I am full of seeds, and my seeds are tasty, and used for decoration. What am I? Pumpkin. I'm green and often used in Indian cuisine, especially in chutneys or curries. What am I? Curry leaf.